Alright guys, let's make some fried chicken. First step is to brine your chicken overnight. Brining is the process of submerging meat into a solution of salt and water. This actually is the secret to flavorful and juicy chicken. Once you're done with the brining, pat the chicken dry. Make sure it's really dry or else the batter won't stick to the chicken while it's frying. Next step is the actual coating of the chicken. I first learned this a few years ago from a YouTuber, Quang Tran. It's actually pretty funny because even after 2 years of culinary school, this method of his is still the best one I've ever tried. Once you're done with the 3-step coating process, fry it immediately for best results. Fry it for 16 minutes and it should be ready.